Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the great and unique Swiss Air Force PC-7 team. This PC-7 aircraft not only gives the team its name, but also make it the largest turboprop aerobatic team in the world. Dynamism LK 380. This professional military pilots of the Swiss Air Force. Normally these pilots fly on the F-18 fighter aircraft. The activities related to the PC-7 team is their weekend works, so they are side jobs, so to say. So we have fighter jet pilots who in addition the next highlights in the front of us. 8 aircraft are approaching after again our solo is coming back for roll, quarter roll. Captain Andreas Wenck, nickname Mengster, followed by Lino Müller, nickname Richi, then Captain Cedric Wiesinger, nickname Butzi, and in the back Captain Simon Buri, nickname the so-called collider crossing in front of us. Have your cameras ready. And he pulls down again through all 4 aircraft. Our air combat maneuver by the Swiss. And we continue with the dynamic. Approaching from the left side of flying, he shows us again another maneuver before he's coming back and presenting again a tango. Come to the most patriotic. Yeah, dear audience, we are approaching the end of our flight.